Hi everyone, this is Nadia from YARNutopia, and this is episode 23 of our Stitch Gallery and Glossary. Today we are learning the foundation double crochet. It's very easy actually once you start to learn it. It is so fast. It eliminates the chaining method in all ways. It's awesome. Foundation half double crochet is very common in written patterns, and it is actually referred to as FDC, which is foundation double crochet in written patterns. So you can check that out in patterns that you crochet. You'll need some basic supplies. As you can see, my dad just zoomed in on the yarn here. This is Red Heart Yarn Scrubby Smoothie. This is super soft cotton, but you can use any yarn to practice your foundation double crochet stitches. Big thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing that yarn today. Also, I'm going to be using a crochet hook from the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. This crochet hook is hand carved and ergonomic, and is just perfect to fit in the palm of your hand. It's a thicker handle. It's really nice hand carved, and if you hold your crochet hook in any way, you know, some of you crochet like holding a pen. I personally crochet like this or with my finger up here, and you can see that the indentations are just so strategic on this piece, and it is so lovely to use for long periods of time when you crochet. So I absolutely love this hook, and you can get any size hook that's fixed into the handle, and then they'll mark it on there what type of hook you got and what size. So you can see here I'm working with a G 4.25 millimeter hook today, but you can use any size hook, any type of yarn, and I'll put the links in the description of this video for you to check out and get your hooks and your yarn just to have fun. So now, without further ado, let's get started and learn the foundation double crochet. I'm going to use this yellow lemony yarn here. So we're going to start out with a slip knot. So put your short end over your long end, then fold this down, and then pull that long end through just like that. Pull tight, and there's your slip knot. Insert your hook into that loop. And if you have seen the mermaid tail that I made a while back, you would see that we started off with a foundation double crochet. Also in episodes 22 and 21, I did the foundation half double crochet and a foundation single crochet. So this is very similar to our episodes 21 and 22 of the Stitch Gallery and Glossary. So to start off with a foundation double crochet, we're actually going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, and 3. Now that chain of 3 does not count as anything. It just gets you to the height you need to be. So don't ever count it in your work unless the pattern specifies that you need to. So we are going to work in this third chain from the hook. So what we're going to do is yarn over. Okay, put the yarn over your hook, go into that very first chain way down here, go into there, and then yarn over and pull it through that chain. So we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through just one of those loops, and that creates the base or the foundation chain. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to work these loops just like we would a regular double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through those other 2 loops. And that is a foundation double crochet. So you can see here at the base of this work here, let me grab my needle so you can see. I'm working in a vertical way here, but if you turn it this way, you can see that the stitch and the post is right there. Okay, so this is the post. The stitch is right at the top there. There's our chain 3. And right here at the base is this where we're going to insert our hook for the next stitch. So you can see here is this loop here, and then this back loop right there. I know it's a little difficult to see, but once we work in there, it will be much easier. So we're going to actually work in here for our second foundation half double crochet. So, or I'm sorry, foundation double crochet. Sorry about that. So what we're going to do for our second one, we are going to yarn over, go to the base, okay, this loop right here, and then this loop behind it right there. Okay, just like that. Then yarn over and pull it through that it looks like a stitch basically, so pull it through that stitch. Okay, then yarn over and just pull through one loop. Okay, just like that. And then now we're going to finish these 3 loops off just like we would a regular double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2, just like that. And that is our second foundation double crochet. So now what we'll do is just continue that way all the way across. You can see I'm going to turn this way. We're going to yarn over, go to the base of the stitch. So this loop right here and this loop right here. Okay, front and back. Yarn over, pull through. Okay, kind of pull up a little bit. That just creates a longer base chain, I guess, the foundation chain. Yarn over, just pull through that 1. Okay, that basically creates the chain, the foundation chain that we're skipping that step. It's nice because you skip the whole step of chaining and then having to double crochet across your chain. You know, you're creating the chain right there. And then just finish these last 3 loops off like you would a regular double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And there's our third foundation double crochet. It looks so neat. So yarn over, go into the base right there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1. Then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And once you start practicing this, it's going to get so much easier and faster. But like I said earlier, I did the foundation double crochet in the mermaid tail that I created a while back, and that was just a lot of fun to do. And you can see here, just going at the base there, creating the foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through there. And there, just like that. So if you want to, you can check out YARNutopia.com for other Stitch Gallery and Glossary videos. I have all kinds of different stitches, and if you have a request for a specific stitch, you can always leave a comment on this video or write me on Facebook. And make sure, if you're on Facebook, to like my page, YARNutopia by Nadia Fuad, so you can get the updates on when I post new content. And also subscribe to my channel here on YouTube so you can get the update on when my dad posts our newest video, because he is our videographer and editor. So make sure to check out all of our other platforms on social media and share your work. If you do share your work, or if you've tried the foundation double crochet or are practicing it, snap a photo, put it on Instagram, and hashtag YARNutopia. I would love to see your work, regardless if it's this or if it is a finished project or a work in progress. I'd like to see your work, so hashtag YARNutopia. I'm just going to continue here, but thank you so much for watching and learning how to make this foundation double crochet. This was episode 23. Until next time, happy hooking!